Come on, let's go. Let's go. Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm just off to go buy a bit more insurance. I don't mean like accident insurance. Just for going down the beach or off-road. Like, I've got a winch on this vehicle and all-terrain tyres. Fish on, I hope. Fish on. But I just sort of needed a bit of something else. Sometimes where we go is quite remote and you might not see another vehicle or person for the whole day. Yes, there's a bit of weight there. I actually thought it might have been a car ride. So I just think it's time to invest in a bit more insurance. Because I lifted my sinker and moved up the beach by about 100 metres. Must be swimming towards me. It's not that difficult to wind in. So while I'm not fishing today is because it's so windy here. I've had it's the third day of wind. I'll try to go somewhere and try to capture it on film. It's been quite shit. No fishing. Although there's a little bit of weight there, but nothing over the top. I only put this one out about 300 metres. This is Urenui Beach Camp. It's a pretty good place. It's got a golf course. Yeah, if you're no good at fishing, have a crack at golf.
Looking at its best, isn't it? What time of year?
It always looks good.
The car was in flower.
So if you've got a caravan or a tent and a boat, this isn't a bad place to come. We'll come here sometime and do a bit of bait fishing, some pheasants.
Pheasant? Yeah. Whereabouts would you go bait fishing here, Steve?
On the river.
On the riverside?
Yeah. This is Urenui River. A lot of boats launch out from here. Pretty good for mullet and flounder.
Flounder would be cool, eh? How sticky would that mud be?
Hey, go down and find out.
I was just thinking, you know.
I've been fishing down here when I was a young fella, down the river, and then on the beach. Maybe we could do a surf casting session. I don't know, I haven't actually checked it out for a long time. I don't know what it'd be like putting a drone out here. It'd be definitely worth.
Be able to land, alright.
Yeah, it'd be definitely worth surf casting off here.
Sandbar out there.
Yeah,
Oh, it's eroded heaps, eh?
it has. It has. The tide's just about in, I think. Oh, it's just about high tide. There's a couple of people fishing off the beach. Gets pretty packed in summertime. It's not bad surf casting just off the beach. Or if you want to go spinning in the river mouth. I'm not sure about drone fishing. I've never put my drone out on this beach. For no real reason, but I think there's a lot of stones and there's probably a reef out the front. Not to say that you couldn't use your drone here, but you just want to be a bit cautious before you did. Maybe only go out 100 metres, 200 metres, just to check it out, or come down at low tide. Lots of people this time of year. This used to be the place to come on New Year's when I was a younger man.
Were there this many batches and stuff like that, Steve, or nah?
Yeah, they didn't have horses and carts back then. They had motor vehicles.
Really?
And yeah.
Gee. The Model T must have just come out then, hey?
Yeah, not long after that.
What did you misfits get up to? What mischief did you inspire?
Well, they'd check out all the young ladies.
Oh, the young ladies.
And
probably just after segregation, probably the first males to see a female in a bathing suit then, Steve.
pretty much. Yeah. Sneak in a few beers.
A rebel in the day, weren't you, Steve?
Yeah. No such thing as swordfish beer back then.
Oh. But still. The beer you drank was not for pussies though, was it?
That's right. Apparently. It says it on the can.
Did it have salt water in back in the day?
No.
You're probably frolicking so much out there that it just came naturally for you then at the end of the day.
I used to have checkpoints here.
Yeah, what's this deal?
I was just we used to hose down their boats.
Oh.
But yeah, the police used to have checkpoints here to stop you from bringing in alcohol into the camp.
You mischief people. Rebellious youths.
A little bit more weight now. Normally when you get them close to the shore they freak out a little. Even if there's a nice canny sized snapper, it would be kind of alright. So just under 100 metres to go. Oh, it's another snapper. Oh, it's a nice size eating one. Awesome. You can't have enough insurance.